standard interface, we can choose new patient. We can set the type of the patient, adult, pediatric, and layout. And we can set male and female. And we can choose non-invasive and invasive. And we can set the height. Then we set the tidal volume, and according to the patient weight, and set the rate. Then we push the start ventilation. We can see this area for perimeter monitor area. The waveform monitor area and the loops area. And this for adjust the ventilator model and adjust the data area. And this for function area. This monitor the pressure. This for tidal volume and minute volume. This for rate and the IE ratio and the flow. And this one for oxygen concentration. This area for EtCO2 and this area for SpO2. Yeah. And we can see this waveform is pressure waveform. This for volume waveform and this flow waveform. This flow and pressure loop. This F wave loop, the P wave loop. And we have 10 work model. You want to change the work model like this set model. We change the work model. Yeah. And we need to adjust the page like this. Use touch screen. Yeah. And the sleep. All is okay. Confirm. Yeah. Into alarm setup, we can adjust the high limit and low limit of the pressure peak. Yeah, like this. Low this. And we can adjust the alarm of the peak. Minute volume, head volume, and the total rate, and the oxygen concentration, failure time, and we can adjust the number of EtCO2. This for the number of SpO2. This area we can choose, we can see have many alarm record, and we can choose next page. This button for 100% oxygen. Press this button can adjust 100% oxygen concentration. Cancel back to 21%. This button for Ventilator, we can adjust the minute, the time, confirm. It's work. We cancel it. This button have some function. One is failure brace. See this waveform? Yeah, brace. Yeah, brace. Yeah, failure brace. This territory holder. Territory holder. The mounting pressure 0.1. This button freezes the waveform. This freezer. The local button, we can open the touch screen like this. Yeah. Turn off lock. Unlock. It's can lock. Yeah. The menu date. The trend of the date. And graphic. We can choose if we want to say peak or all the data saved in this area. We can choose this. And the tabular. Yeah. Just next page. Yeah, next page. And alarm loader. System setup. We can choose the interface. This one for low, we choose bigger font. And the all parameter. Bigger loops. This function we can choose light model, yeah, light display model, yeah. Pressure airway unit. This, yeah, you can see the waveform, the unit change. This one, okay. This one, yeah. The pressure unit. This shows the waveform model. This scan. Standard interface, we can see the function. This for recording this data and calculate the tidal volume. We can choose 8 or different states. transmission. If it stand back, then ET02 model cannot work. Let's show. The ET02 unit and the failure delay. This function we can choose the date, change the date, change the time. And if we change this one, we need to confirm this can work. This will alarm delay, and the pattern we can adjust. The system information, we can set the software version, mainboard and monitor board, payboard, software version, and the hardware information. This for resolution of the screen and the screen size, and the machine operating hours. One for adjust the alarm volume of the machine. Have a password. This for adjust the alarm volume. If the oxygen cell cannot work, we need to replace a new one. Take out 2 screws. Then take out the cable. Then this oxygen cell will replace a new one. If we change a new oxygen sensor, we need to calibrate the oxygen cell. Press start. For oxygen calibrate, we need to connect the oxygen source.